The UK was part of the Brussels regimes, and as an EU member state, there are a series of legal instruments that have facilitated judicial cooperation in civil, commercial and family law between member states for several years. Cases that were issued in UK courts on or before 31st December 2020 still fall under the regime. The treatment of divorce cases commenced, whether in the UK or in an EU member state, before the end of the transition period on 31st December 2020 are governed by the withdrawal agreement. The Brussels II provisions relating to jurisdiction continue to apply to such cases and to the recognition and enforcement of judgments delivered in them. Cases instituted after 31st December 2020 fall under the Jurisdiction and Judgments Regulation 2019. The regulations revoke Brussels II for England and Wales and Northern Ireland and the Maintenance Regulation for the UK, except in relation to proceedings or applications which were ongoing at the end of the transition period. The regulations set out rules of jurisdiction largely based on the Brussels II rules, which apply to new divorce cases in England and Wales. In deciding whether the court in England and Wales have jurisdiction to deal with applications for divorce, two elements must be considered: the party's habitual residence and/or domicile. Habitual residence is where a person is settled, for example, where they work and where their main family life takes place, whereas domicile is the main permanent home in which they live or to which they intend to return. Leaving the EU has been quite advantageous to family law matters, in particular to divorce proceedings, as it is now easier for couples to get divorced in England and Wales. If one party is domiciled in the UK, then that will now be sufficient in order to issue a divorce petition. Previously, if couples resided in different EU member states, then parties were able to issue divorce proceedings in more than one country. Understanding jurisdiction in divorce proceedings may be difficult. Therefore, we here at Duncan Lewis Solicitors are here to advise and assist you and answer any questions you may have. Duncan Lewis Divorce Solicitors appreciate they will be contacting us in challenging and emotional circumstances. For that reason, we are here to advise on legal procedure related to divorce and connected matters and answer any questions that you may have. Please visit our website or call us directly on 0333 772 0409.